Hello everyone, welcome back to LEXI'S world. Today guess what I'm doing? So I'm gonna use some chow mein. I have some chow mein here. And I have 2 pieces of chicken. Alright, I just wash it up a bit and clean. I didn't do a lot of cleaning on the chicken because I'm gonna do it a little bit different. Alright, I'll make some chicken chow mein. I didn't skin it, I didn't do anything to it as yet. Alright, so there's the 2 chicken. I have 1 orange pepper. I'm gonna use the orange pepper. I'm gonna use 1 red pepper. Alright, I'm gonna use a little piece of cabbage. I have 1 large carrot. And I have 1 onion with 3 figs of garlic. Alright, and I'm gonna make the chicken chow mein. I have a tin of corn. Alright, so let's get started. Before I get started, please do not forget to please like, share, and subscribe on my channel. So I have a pot. I did a little bit of cleaning on the chicken. I didn't skin it or anything. Alright, I'll put some water and let it boil out for a little bit. Alright, and then I'm going to skin it and just debone it and everything for the chicken chow mein. So there it is. Alright, I'll put a little tip of vinegar in the water while it's cooking out. So I put a bit of salt in the water. Alright, so while the chicken is cooking out for a bit, I'll start with my vegetables. I'll start with the carrots, alright? Of course, I'm going to cut them really small. And this is also still considered a healthy meal, alright? So the carrots are already cut up, so I'm just going to use I'll cut the cabbage, but I'm going to cut it really small, of course. So I have my cabbage here. As you can see, I cut it up really small. Okay. I have my red pepper. I'm going to start with the red, right? So I'll cut my red pepper, and of course I'm cutting it really small. Alright, so I have my orange pepper now. I used 3 cloves of garlic. I have 1 onion. I'm only going to use half of my onion actually, okay? Okay, so I have 1 scotch bonnet pepper, but I'm not going to use the whole pepper, alright? I'll just use a little piece of it. So basically this is the chicken. So what I did, so I boil it for a little bit and then I skin it off, alright? So as you see, I deboned the chicken, so this is all the bones and stuff. I throw them out. And I'm just going to use the chicken of itself. Strip it up for a bit. So I put about a teaspoon of garlic powder. I add more garlic powder to the curry. I will use a half of a teaspoon of black pepper. I use a tablespoon of my special seasoning. It having onions and stuff. So that's why I only use half of the onion, alright? So here I have my scotch bonnet and my fresh garlic. I'm going to add it to the chicken, alright? My stove is on high. I just put a tip of seasoning salt, but not a lot. I'm going to start my kettle to heat up the water for the noodles, alright? I have my corn. I washed it off already in some hot water, alright? So here's my chow mein, alright? I'm gonna throw some hot water on my chow mein and then throw it out. I'm just leaving it in the water for a little bit in the hot water, alright? So here's my chicken. I'm gonna use 1 pack of Sazon in here. And the Sazon is just gonna give it some color, okay? So everything's ready. Okay, so I have 2 tablespoons of virgin olive oil in the pan. So I'm letting my carrots cook for a little bit, alright? So I cook them for a little bit. I just have my stove on 6, alright? So I have some soy sauce. I'm going to add the soy sauce. I will add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, okay? I just have a bit of salt. As you see, I didn't really cook my vegetables that much because I like it when it's hard. By all means, if you like it soft, cook it a little bit longer, okay? I'm gonna add my cabbage now because I want the cabbage to like be still hard, okay? I'm gonna add my chow mein now. This is my chow mein because I threw the hot water on it a bit, okay? So I have my corn. I'm gonna add my corn to this. So I had a tin of corn, and of course, well, as you see, my chow mein is all done. Nice and loose. You have your bits of chicken. I used 2 chicken legs and a whole lot of vegetables, as you can see. So this is also considered a healthy meal. You have your cabbage. I have sweet peppers, corn, all the good stuff. All right. I didn't cook my noodles. All I did with the chow mein, I threw it in a pot with hot water, right? And I left it there for like a couple of minutes, and then I strained it off and throw cold water on it to stop the cooking. Because if I didn't, the noodles would get really soft. All right, so there we go. This is chicken chow mein with vegetables. All right. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do not forget to please like, share, and subscribe on this channel.